Maki. Today I'm at Hakata Port. I'll take a boat trip today. But before that, it's a lunchtime. I can eat nice and fresh sushi here. Okay, let's go. Look at these fresh fish and clams. So big. And there is sushi buffet here. They all look yummy. One piece of sushi is 100 yen. It's quite reasonable. Also, it's fun to choose sushi. These are the sushi I chose. Isn't it nice? Okay, let's eat. Great! I'm full, so now I'm ready to get on the ship. Get a ticket, and then go. This is a ship to Shikanoshima. It's cool, isn't it? Now get on board. Exciting! It takes about 30 minutes to Shikanoshima. It's a wonderful day for the boat trip.
Thank you for using the Fukuoka Municipal Ferry Service today.
We're arriving in Shikanoshima. Here is Shikanoshima Port, nice and quiet. Can you hear catties meowing? Here it is. There's a cat. This is the map of Shikanoshima. Actually, I didn't know that Shikanoshima is such a big island. We need to take a bus to go to the beach. But look at this timetable. The bus comes only once in 2 hours. Oh my god. Fortunately, I found a bicycle rental shop. So let's go cycling. We rent a tandem bike. It's fun to ride. This island is known as the spot where the gold seal of the King of Na was discovered. You can see the replica of the gold seal with nice view from the hill. The island is about 11 kilometers around. It's easy to go around by bike, but sometimes we have to push the bike to go up the hill. It's a nice beach, isn't it? I want to come back here again in summer. The beautiful sunset tells us the time to go home. What a wonderful day! We took a bus to go back to downtown of Fukuoka. There's a direct bus to Tenjin. I think it's easy and cheap. It comes only every 1 hour, so it's better to check the timetable beforehand. Did you enjoy my video? Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Enjoy your trip in Fukuoka!